Like my real heart, these cookies are not perfect, but also like my real heart, they're naturally sweet and good for you. We'll start with preheating our oven to 350 degrees and then take out a ripe banana, which is great for your digestion and great for your mood. Put that into a blender, which is really going to do most of the hard work for us. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of raspberry and 6 tablespoons of strawberries. Both are low calorie, great for your immune system, and full of antioxidants. Then we'll add a tablespoon of ground flax, which is just loaded with nutrients, including protein and omega-3s and fiber. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract because every cookie tastes better with vanilla extract, and it even has antioxidants. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, which is great for your immune system and even supports growing collagen in your skin. And then add a tablespoon of cashew butter, which is so nutrient dense, including magnesium, which is something so many of us don't get enough of, and also has healthy fats. You're gonna mix that in your blender. Now, if like me, you have a little trouble, you may need to add a tablespoon of water, put it back onto your blender, and then it will become this gorgeous pink color. Open that up, and now we can add 1.25 cups of rolled oats, which is great for your digestion and has soluble fiber to make it very filling. You don't even need to put the blender back on, just give it a good mix, and that should be perfect for it. Then you're going to put that into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes because chilling the dough will make it easier to shape into our hearts. Then you're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and now we're ready. You know, I just kind of pushed down the top and the center of the heart and then pinched the bottom. I prefer homemade to look homemade. It's not perfect. Put the cookies now into your preheated oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. Take them out, let cool, and enjoy. So tell me, would you make this easy, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, refined, sugar-free heart cookies recipe? I'd love to hear in the comments below.